Hold on to your hats, space enthusiasts. SpaceX has just completed its 11th test flight of the colossal Starship rocket, and it's another step closer to making interplanetary travel a reality. This isn't just any rocket. It's the biggest and most powerful ever constructed, and it's designed to take humans to Mars. On Monday, October 13th, 2025, Starship blasted off from Starbase, Texas, putting on a spectacular show as it soared into the evening sky. The booster gracefully separated and made a controlled descent into the Gulf of Mexico, just as planned. Meanwhile, the spacecraft itself embarked on a journey, skimming through space before splashing down in the Indian Ocean. Unfortunately, nothing was recovered from this test flight, as SpaceX's Dan Hewitt announced with excitement, "Hey, welcome back to Earth, Starship. What a day!" This flight was a significant milestone, marking the 11th full-scale test for Starship. Elon Musk, the visionary behind SpaceX, envisions this rocket as the key to sending people to Mars. But that's not all. NASA has its sights set on Starship 2. The space agency urgently needs this 403-foot, 123-meter reusable vehicle to land astronauts on the moon by the end of the decade. This is a critical component for their lunar missions. Musk himself broke from tradition, choosing to watch the launch from outside, calling it a much more visceral experience. The previous test flight in August was a success after several earlier explosive failures, following a similar trajectory and goals. This time, however, the spacecraft underwent more extensive maneuvering, particularly during its entry over the Indian Ocean, simulating future landings back at the launch site. Like the previous flight, Starship carried 8 mock satellites, mimicking SpaceX's Starlink satellites. The entire flight lasted just over an hour, originating from Starbase, near the Mexican border. But here's where it gets controversial. NASA's acting administrator, Sean Duffy, praised Starship's progress, stating it was another major step toward landing Americans on the moon's South Pole. SpaceX is also actively modifying its Cape Canaveral launch sites to accommodate Starships, in addition to the smaller Falcon rockets currently used to transport astronauts and supplies to the International Space Station for NASA. This expansion shows the company's commitment to space exploration. And this is the part most people miss. This flight is a testament to the relentless innovation and ambition driving the space industry. What do you think about SpaceX's progress? Do you believe this technology will revolutionize space travel? Share your thoughts in the comments below.